The possibility of an artificial general intelligence, AGI, takeover is a topic that has been explored extensively in both scientific and philosophical discussions. AGI refers to a form of AI that possesses human-like intelligence, capable of understanding, learning, and performing a wide range of tasks across different domains without human intervention. Let's examine the key considerations and concerns surrounding the idea of an AGI takeover. 1. Current state of AI. As of now, AI systems are specialized and limited to specific tasks. These systems, known as narrow AI, excel in areas such as image recognition, language translation, and data analysis, but lack the general intelligence and adaptability of humans. The development of AGI, which would require breakthroughs in understanding and replicating human cognition, remains a theoretical and highly complex challenge. 2. Safety and control. One of the primary concerns about AGI is ensuring its safety and control. AGI would have the potential to surpass human intelligence and capabilities, leading to scenarios where it could act in ways that are beyond human comprehension or control. Ensuring that AGI aligns with human values and intentions is critical to preventing unintended and potentially harmful consequences. Researchers emphasize the importance of developing robust safety measures and ethical guidelines for AGI. 3. Ethical and moral considerations. The creation of AGI raises profound ethical and moral questions. How should AGI be used, and who gets to decide its applications? There are concerns about the potential for misuse, such as the development of autonomous weapons or surveillance systems that infringe on individual privacy and freedoms. Additionally, the implications for employment and societal structures are significant, as AGI could potentially automate a wide range of jobs. 4. Technological and practical challenges. Developing AGI involves overcoming numerous technological and practical challenges. Replicating the complexity and adaptability of human intelligence requires advancements in machine learning, cognitive science, and neuroscience. Furthermore, ensuring that AGI systems are transparent, explainable, and accountable is essential to building trust and preventing misuse. The role of collaboration and regulation. International collaboration and regulation are crucial in the development and deployment of AGI. Establishing global standards and guidelines can help ensure that AGI is developed responsibly and ethically. Policymakers, researchers, and industry leaders must work together to address the potential risks and benefits of AGI. At conclusion, while the idea of an AGI takeover is currently speculative and remains in the realm of science fiction, it is a topic that warrants careful consideration and ongoing research. The development of AGI presents both opportunities and challenges that must be navigated thoughtfully and responsibly. By focusing on safety, ethics, transparency, and collaboration, we can work towards a future where AGI benefits humanity while minimizing potential risks. What are your thoughts on the development of AGI and its implications for the future?